In this video, we'll be demonstrating how to reset the maintenance tank on an Epson Stylus Pro 3800, 3880, or SureColor P800 printer. Note that in order for your printer to display 100% maintenance tank life after resetting, you must reset a maintenance tank that is not already fully used up. You will also need a second spare maintenance tank, but it doesn't matter if the second maintenance tank is fully used up or not. Step 1. Remove the maintenance tank's grate using a flathead screwdriver, needle nose pliers, or similar. Step 2. Remove and discard the used up sponge material. Step 3. Rinse the maintenance tank and then dry it using a paper towel. Step 4. Align the 7 pins on the resetter with the 7 contacts on the maintenance tank chip and press down the resetter. The LED light will flash red at first and then change to green. The tank is now reset. Step 5. Install your spare maintenance tank into the printer and close the maintenance tank cover. Wait for the printer to detect the installation of your spare maintenance tank. Step 6. Remove your spare maintenance tank and install your newly reset maintenance tank. Since there is no longer any absorbent material, ink will flow directly into the maintenance tank. Therefore, it is important to empty the maintenance tank frequently and be careful when removing the maintenance tank to avoid spilling. Always reset the maintenance tank well before it reaches 0% life. See our website for other products for Epson printers, including ink, refillable cartridges, sublimation and screen printing products, and much more. Take a moment. Think green. Think refilling. Think Inkowl.